Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger. Just log in on your Messenger app. All you have to do to fix this problem, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to our next window here. And you just go down here and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window. And all you have to do, you just go down here to looking for Messenger app. Then you just click here on Messenger. Then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, then you click here on storage, and it's going to take you to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and all you have to do, you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.